Hey everyone, a big few days here in Queensland in the last, just all sorts of edicts and rules coming out that, of course, don't suit my alignment with what I believe in. So that makes it pretty hard, and I know that many millions of people are going through the same thing on the planet at the same time. So whenever I'm in this space, I always look to people like Sasha Stone or Laurie Ladd, and I found this one on Laurie Ladd's page today. So I thought I'd share it. So I'm going to be reading through her thoughts about what's going on the planet, and I'm just going to be balancing, our meridians with some tuning forks simultaneously, just to help to calm the energy down and to give us insight as to who we are on the planet, what we're here to see, can we see it? So it's a really nice piece that I'd like to share with you, because when I read it, it just allowed me to breathe. And in this time, we need to keep calming down our cortisol, because when we're in that heightened fight and flight and stress and anger and rage and political upheaval, our brains can shut down and we just go into what we know and we ignore what we don't know or what we don't believe, which is fine. But this might be one of those times in history when it's good to be aware and open and awake, so that we can live a true life of health, wealth and happiness moving forwards. Okay, part 2 coming up.